Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this short tutorial, I will guide you that if you are facing this type of error in your Microsoft Office in any version, that you can't create any new document or edit the existing file. So first of all, you have to try your Microsoft account. From right corner you have to sign out and re-enter your email address. This may be fix this issue, but if this not work for you, then the second method is you have go to task manager, and from here you have to close all your Microsoft Office open file as I am checking it, and then you have to follow this step. You have go to the install folder, and then from here program file you have go to Microsoft Office folder, and then here you can see Office 15. Maybe in your case it may be 16, 18 or any name, so you have to change it, and then here you have to search for one file as I will check you from here. So you have to find this file. I am checking, and then you have go to, and next again it will be start from O, so we will check it again now here, and then DLL, and then OSPF detail. This was is not, so I will show you, and then we will fix from here. So this file is again, yes, this file, as you can see this file. So you have to right click on this file and run as administrator for 3 times. One time. Now again we will go to this file, and then we will right click on this and run as administrator. So this is second time, and once again we will again run as administrator for third time, and you can see this is already done. So after doing this, you have again close this all menu, and then we will go to simple in Word file and check that how our problem is fixed or still the same issue. As you can see, again this is activation field, so you have to check this. If you have a key, then you have to enter it, or maybe it will be work. As you can see, the issue is fixed. So this is a simple step you have go to in menu, and then simple you have to run as administrator this file for 3 times. So this is done. I have closed it and again open it, and now you can see this is working properly. So subscribe our channel for next video.